here is a test instructions for BURAQ for I and M extensions, and you can see it contains instruction from both the extension, like add I is from I extension and MERL HU is from M extension. Let's just go and start simulation, and now we are directed to the simulator page. So the thing that I was talking about in the previous demonstration of only I extension, about the func6, func4, and func2. Sorry, it's related to C extension. So we will get to see this in when a C instruction is executed. So let's just go step by step over each of the instruction. And as an execute, the values change after each instruction has been executed. And if you want to go back one step back, you can use previous. So you can so as you can see, I move back 2 instructions and value has been nullified. I can go step forward, and if I want to go back, I can use previous. Stop कर देना अली, कर दिया कर. So we can use step and previous to go back and forth between the instructions. We can also use display settings to see the register values according to our desired format. Like I can choose hex, and as you can see, the values have been converted to hex. If I want to view it in unsigned, I can use unsigned. If I want to view it in ASCII, I can use ASCII. So let's just stick with decimal. So once again, we will click on the run button to execute all of the instructions at once. So you can see there the message, success message has been generated, code exited with 0 error. And if I want the hex of this instruction, I can click the dump button and copy it from here. Okay, so now let us demonstrate the IM and C extensions all run together. So let us go back to the editor interface and select the BURAQ IMC tab, and I have already inserted some text examples from all of the 3 extensions, which is C, I, and M. So C.add is from C extension, MERL HU is from M extension, and sub is from I extension. So let's just go and start simulation. And now we are directed to the simulation page. So here you can see. So C extension is of 16 bits. So it's func3. Its format is comparatively smaller than as compared to the I and M. So as you can see, it's func3. So this instruction does not contain and func6, but so see this instruction. See C.mv. This instruction contains func6, func4, and its func4 has been displayed here. C instruction is a 16-bit, so its format is a little bit different than I and M. And once again, we will go over each instruction one by one first to see if it's working. And as you can see, the value. So if the user wants the hex of this instruction, he or she can just click on the dump button, and the hex will be generated. And one thing that you can notice here is that a hex of the C instruction is comparatively smaller than an I instruction or a M instruction. This is because C instruction is of only 16 bits, while I and M are of 32 bits. So this was the total demonstration of our product. Our simulator can also be used for educational purposes to teach the students about the ISA of RISC-V, and it can also be used for verification purposes. One unique feature of our simulator is that we have added C extension, which has not been added in any open source web-based simulator, web-based RISC-V simulator. These are our contributors, which have contributed in developing this simulator. This so this is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.